Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an order. There's various reasons you may want to cancel order. You may have been putting test orders on, in which case you might want to clear them down before you start using your instance for real. Your customer may have changed their mind and you need to take the order off your system so you don't accidentally do it. Because payments are linked to orders, sometimes you might also want to refund too. Over here, so let's go to, I'm just going to use one of these incomplete orders to do it. So when you are cancelling an order, you need to go into the edit order screen, which you can access from the eye there off the dashboard, or on the job sheet, you click the view order here. I'm just going to click into there. Because it's a meaningful activity, it will ask who it is so that it logs who has done this action against the order. If you come down to your button panel on the right hand side, you've got a yellow button called Cancel Order. Over here, you have to give a reason for a cancel. That is just so that there is an audit trail should you need it. And then because payments are linked to orders, it wants to know how you want to deal with the money. Sometimes it's just a simple administrative task. There isn't really a refund going on, so you can just record that. And sometimes you want the money to be given back, even if it's just on paper. You might want that money to be given back. If you took money that didn't exist, you'd want to give that money that didn't exist back, so it doesn't skew your reports. And we're just going to click continue on that, and it's saying that it's going to give that back to the customer, and so it effectively take that money off your report, and it is for a test. Now that order never completely disappears. If I ever want to find that order again, I would be able to find it in the orders tab here. So it takes it off your dashboard. It's not visible here anymore. However, let's say for some reason somebody queried something about the order and they gave me the order number or the name. I could find that order, and when I find that order, it shows me it's cancelled. And if I wanted to check the reason why, I can actually check all the order logs, and it gives all that information there too.